aha mukorogo obutumwa bwa mukuru w'ihanga bushomerweho na Rebo Rafael Magezi uri minister wa gavumenti z'ebyanga ahi mukuru w'ihanga ashabire kuhabaho enkwatanisa y'amaani ahagati ya gavumenti hamwe n'amadini ekyakubasa kuleetaho obuheereza bwahika omu batuura,
reminding us that we need to work together, the church and the government meaning the ordinary Uganda, and we the leaders must work together, not just in terms of the hospital, but generally the service called health care and health service.
mukuru w'ihanga nayongeragera ngu abantu batakagumana birukanjira omu kuza kuraguza babari abo kuba becuma omu maka gabo.
It's not possible, number one, to talk about health unless you talk about hygiene and sanitation.
Abantu abakutuweka amagufa batungire butandwa mbona boda bona bagamba boraba noenda kira bwangu genda Kasese nicholeka nti Kasese sazira tukubaliza egenzera level ya hospital, level ya tourism, ya hospitality industry.
This must be restored. If the government cooperates well with that, it should be turned into a referral hospital.
Honorable Godfrey Kabyanga or State Minister wa Kanyabwenje hamwe na Nukhabura ihanga washabira abanya-Uganda kubagira umutima gwo kuyamba.
Let us also start sacrificing our money to assist ourselves. We should also learn to give, even the little we have.
A home characterized by domestic violence, fights, hatred, psychological torture will result in a population which is unhealthy.
Irwareri gavumenti neza kurehereza motoka eyo kugumana batwaramo abarwire. Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.